the town of Moab have quite the ambitious road project going on. Looks like they're redoing the whole roadway. Pretty much a bunch of cheap and off-road vehicle rentals and bicycles and some restaurants, motels, and pretty much have Moab. On the way to Canyonlands Island in the Sky this morning. Just more of the stunning scene. It's getting kind of humdrum right now, but wow, it's still stunning. Here's Canyonlands National Park. This is the Island of the Skies entrance. One of the 3 zones of Canyonlands. A couple miles from the visitor center, so we'll head on in. The view of the Schaefer Canyon. One angle. Another view of the angle of the Schaefer Canyon Trail. This is kind of the first stop coming into Island of the Skies. It's quite impressive. The Mesa Arch, this is the one that they get up at 3:30 in the morning to come see the sunrise on.
Yeah, for sunrise.
Yeah, well that ain't happened with me. Did you get a photo of it I can borrow?
For sunrise? No, thought about it, but...
No, yeah, I thought about it for a minute too. And the view underneath the arch. Spectacular. There's the arch in the distance and the valley. Now the trail up to the first overlook. Totally quiet, all you hear is the wind. Just about to the end of Outlook number 2. That must be where the Green River cuts through. Very reminiscent of the Grand Canyon. Trail continues on down, so follow it on down. and view from the second overlook. It's a little bit of a hike getting out here. Up and over a bunch of these rocks. Big rocks. Big rocks. Anyway, we made it. Go over and see the other side. Okay, the trail meanders up to where those people are, and then back around. So it may be a while. Luckily I brought some water. A view of Aztec Butte. And then the Holeman Springs Valley off in the distance over there. Let me see if I can get a better shot of that. Okay, here's a better shot of the Holeman Springs Valley. It's pretty vast. If I can zoom in here a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. So overall, it's a toss-up, but I think I have to go with the Needles District. That seemed to me, although this is pretty impressive too. And I think this just came about in the 60s as a national park. Amazing. I think this rivals the Grand Canyon, and there's a little more people. There's a few more people here as opposed to the Needles District yesterday, but not a whole bunch. As you can see, I'm standing out here at one of the points, and there's 20 people. At the Grand View, there was probably 100 people. It's just, I guess it's a good time to come. Of course, it's kind of warm. that's the highlights of the Canyonlands.